everyone, welcome back. Now the topic of this video, okay, how we can download and install the Altium with the 15-day trial claim. So let's do it. First of all, I tell you, please subscribe to Schematic channel, and also the previous video is download and install the Altium plus claim the student license. So that's the video where I show you the completely how you can claim a student license. It's very important. But if you have the two things like your name of your university registered with the Altium student program, and mostly universities are registered there, and if you have an educational email, then you can claim it. Okay, so for this thing you can follow that video. Okay, download and install the Altium plus claiming the student license. So step by step you follow, and then you can claim it. So for this video you need to come on the Altium. So simply search the altium.com, and then that web page is open in front of you. So I hope so you first time come, then you're not login. So I just be now you see this sign in. Because for claiming the trial, you not claim directly trial, we need to download the Altium and install it. After installation we see the 15-day claim of our trial in the after installation. Okay, so now first of all you need to click on sign in button here, and then click on this Google, or if you don't have account, then you just click on registered account. So here you can have again option of Google and Facebook to be quickly registered, but I follow the email method. I put the email and then click on continue. They send me instruction on my email, so I need to follow the instruction. Now that's the Altium verification email. So by clicking on this button you can verify your email. Now here I need to choose my name, last name, and then set a password and register account. So in that way my account is registered. So I quickly do it. So in that way, so as you set your password and click on register button, then they launch this altium.com web page again, and you see on the top right corner this is your profile and you are registered right now. Okay, you need to come on that web page. So I try to put the URL, this URL in the description, so you can easily access that Altium downloads page after login. So now here it is Altium Designer, and here the latest version 25.8.1. so you can choose the previous version, but we are claiming the trial, then I just choose the latest version simply, and then click on online installer exe. Okay, click on this button. Now that is the Altium Designer setup. So we need to run it as administrator. Run it. First of all you need to click on next. Well, when Altium Designer installer run, here you need to click on I accept the agreement and click on next. So he said that please sign in with your browser credentials. So we need to click on sign in. Now in that way you have successfully authorized, so they can automatically sign you in through your browser, but make sure that browser is your default app. If it's not a default app, then search the default app from your search bar and open this default app option from the setting, and make your web browser the same on which your Altium account is activated or login. Now after that he said that we need to install 2.3 GB will be downloaded, and this will require 6.4 GB of disk space to install. So he said touch sensor support, so you can tick mark everything if you need everything from here, and then you need to click on next, and you can change the program file location. Click on next. Yes, I want to participate, and click on next, and again click on next. Then your downloading is start, and after downloading installation automatically start. So we need to wait here. Great, installation is complete, and I don't uncheck this run Altium Designer, and I want it's run after that, and click on finish. After installation, when your installation is complete, then you see this home page maybe, or sometime they open this license management. If you don't be see this license management page, don't worry, just be going to the top right corner, and here you see not sign in button. So here it is sign in option and license button. So that's the license page, so click on it, then that license management page is open in front of you. So right now, before claiming the trial version, we need to be open this like sign in the Altium account. Click on it, and here is the sign in automatically. If you untick, then they say okay, sign in. So click on it. Now you see they open my we say that they open my web browser, and in my web browser Altium Designer is already login. That's way they, after successfully login, they give you the two things. First of all, Altium Designer viewer, simply click on get license. Now that's simple, the designer viewer, and your license is activated on here. After that, you see this is try the full Altium Designer with 15-day free trial. So click on this start free trial. Now wait here until the complete of this reloading or loading of that page. Okay, so now that page is loaded right now. Now we need to be wait for the few seconds, then we see our Altium Designer. Then now you see after the few seconds, we see this Altium for 30-day claim. It's mentioned the 15-day, but they give you a 30-day license. So now you click on use the license button, and now in that way your 30-day free license is activated for the Altium Designer, and now you can use it till 10/30/2025. So the next time you simply sign out, create a new account with the different email, and then you again claim your trial. So after clicking on start the trial or claiming a trial, just wait a few minutes. It's mostly take 5 to 10 minutes depending on the location, and then they give you the access. So in that way you can access the trial version of the Altium Designer for the 30 days, and I show you also how you download it, the Altium, and install it, and after that how you claim it. So I hope so you like this video. Please subscribe it and comment if you want any kind of the next topic which I create a video on it, and also share with your friend which want to be design the Altium Designer and claim the trial version. So I see you next time.